This is my camper door. This is the deadbolt that I added after my camper was vandalized several years ago. Really depended on it and it quit working. You can turn it, unlock it. The deadbolt comes out, but it won't go back. It won't go back. And this little guy, he does nothing anymore. Nothing happens. It's broken. So, both locks on my camper are broken. And in here, just replaced the shower, and I noticed this morning when I was taking a shower, the handle won't stay up. Everything makes a liar out of you, don't it? There. The water's running and try to adjust it and it just keeps falling down. So I believe they got in here again after this was fixed.